All right, got another break. Got some catching up to do. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. I got this box. Got 10 packs of cards in there and 2 authentic jersey card set. And of course, it was on the discount pile. Let's see what's in here. Maybe some interesting packs. Okay, so I guess these are the 2 authentic jersey card sets. And the packs are plastered all inside the box. So we can slide that out. We have Stadium Club, 2007 Baseball, Topps, 2008 Series 1, Gaudy, 2009 Series 2 Upper Deck, 2008 SP. Then on the inside we have 2008 Upper Deck Series 1, looks like a jumbo pack, an old Donruss pack, a 2007 Topps Baseball, and a little hanger pack from Topps. And it looks like 2007. So I'd like to tear these packs apart. All right, here we go. Old stuff first. Puzzle piece. Alex Trevino, Schiraldi, Charles Hudson, Dave Bergman, Mark Clear, Dave Schmidt, Ron Darling, Diamond King, Eric Davis, a nice Kirby Puckett, Lloyd Mosby, Jim Presley, rated rookie of Jose Lind, Lenny Dykstra for the Mets PC. Alright, I'll open this thing up next. $22 cards plus 1 piece of gum. So I'm not going to touch the gum. Alright, I'm going to go through these quick. Duke, Lopez, Cole Hamels, Fuentes, Dempster, rookie of Jerry Owens, Reed Johnson, classic combo, Alfonso Soriano and Carlos Beltran, Bob Kelty, Wickman, Huff, Mezaga, Soriano, Gomez, Morales, Creed, Jeff Kent, Grilly, Jenkins, Cardinals team, Marlins team, and Hatberg. Not really much in there. Nothing in there but a piece of gum. Alright, got this one. 2007 again. Mark Loretta, Cardinals team card, Zach Duke. Got an insert of Lance Berkman, Topps own the game. Checklist, Justin Verlander, and a Greg Maddux. We have another 2007 Topps. And I'll go through all of them. Ron Washington, a rookie card, Lia Dukes, Florida Marlins team card, Chris Young, and classic combo, Alex Rodriguez and Jason Giambi. Oh, and we got a Yadier Molina. All right, we're going to 2008 Top Series 1. And we have Jeff Jenkins, Jacqueline Jones, Casey Blake, Isringhausen, Tony La Russa, Marcus Giles, Own the Game, insert Carlos Lee, Willie Randolph, manager, CC Sabathia, and Scott Rowland. Okay, try this 2008 Upper Deck Series 1. We got Rick Ankiel, Jason McKees, Polanco, Ramirez, Manny, Brian Giles, Fonseca, Smith, Estrada, Brandon Morrow, Kippinger, Iguchi, Jared Weaver, Davis, season highlights, Trevor Hoffman, Chipper Jones, Luke Halkavar, rookie card, Steve Pierce, rookie card, and our Star Quest card is Johan Santana. Okay, we got now Series 2, Upper Deck, 2008. Watching the Denver-Kansas City game, 2 minutes left, 35-28 Denver. I got Dwayne Bowe in my fantasy league, and I need him to catch something. Nothing here. Everett, Linebrink, another Johan Santana, and the season highlights, Joe Borowski. Oh, that was Bowe. Quarter pass. All right, 2009 Gaudy. We have Jermaine Dye, Brandon Phillips, Ryan Sandberg, Josh Hamilton, and a four-way, Crosby, Cust, Kane, and Lincecum. 4-1 Gaudy with a red border. Oh, that's an insert, maybe an insert set. All right, let's try the SP. All right, SP, we have Maglio Ordonez, John Lackey, Dontrell Willis, Jose Guillen, and Chin Ming Wing. That's it on the SP. And we got Stadium Club. Almost lost all of those cards. All right, Stadium Club. We got Clayton Kershaw, rookie. It's a good card. CC Sabathia, David Persay, Vladimir Guerrero, and we have one with a stamp on it here, first edition or something, first day. Gregor Blanco, rookie card, Atlanta Braves. What do I mean about that stamp? Come on, focus. No focus, but that's what it is. All right, let's get to these authentic jersey card set. First one is, boom, my Mets. Authentic jersey, David Wright. and that's the authentic jersey. It's on like an oversized card. It's got a little perforated thing for a stand. You can stand them up. Produced by Vintage. Distributed by them, who does these little packs. Not bad, David Wright for the Mets PC. That worked out well. Second one is a little different color. Boom. Yeah. Jim Palmer. A little stitching in that jersey. Jim Palmer. Card's not that centered in its little frame, but that's all right. That's that box. Thanks for watching.